Hello everyone, today we are going to visit one of our domestic customer, newly built factory. This domestic customer mainly sells skincare, personal care and disinfectant products, and the new built factory covers an area of 10,000 square meters. These customers purchase multiple sets of equipment from our company, covering integrated production line equipment including emulsifying mixers, water treatment machines, filling machines, and packaging machines. Ailusi company provides equipment installation and commissioning service. As we can see, our engineers are installing, positioning equipment to facilitate customers' simultaneous GMP factory decoration. This is the production workshop. This is a vacuum homogenizer emulsifying mixers. It mainly used to make products such as facial cream, body lotions, and toothpaste. This is the water treatment workshop, and here is the complete water treatment equipment that our customers purchase from us. It mainly responsible for purifying raw water, so that the purified water can be used for drinking or cosmetic applications. This is packaging workshop. Subsequent the filling and packaging equipment will be installed here for product filling and the subsequent packaging process. With 19 years of expertise in machinery for cosmetics, food, and pharmaceutical, Ailusi empower products with reliable equipment and one-stop service. We wish our clients' new factory booming and continuous success.